Hey, welcome back to Music Theory Logic. My name's Andrew, and today I thought I'd answer a question that I get a lot from people who are interested in starting to produce music but don't know where to start. So, the first thing to understand if you're in the modern 21st century and you're trying to become a music producer, most people, when they say music producer, mean somebody who's making instrumental stuff on a computer. So, what everyone uses that's making music on a computer um, in the modern world is called a digital audio workstation, a DAW for short. Some examples of modern DAWs are the one I use, Logic Pro by Apple. There's Ableton Live, which has some really cool live functions. You can use it on PC or Mac. We've got Fruity Loops, FL Studio. For PC, we've got free open source DAW Reaper. We've got Reason by Propellerhead. We've got Studio One by Presonus. We've got GarageBand. So the long story short is all of those different softwares will enable you to make some pretty awesome music. So the first step when you're trying to figure out how to produce music is to download or get one of those DAWs. So if you have an iPad, the simplest thing might be to get the GarageBand iOS app. If you have a MacBook Pro, it might be simple to get Logic. If you have a MacBook Pro and you're watching a lot more like EDM tutorials and you want Ableton, you can also get that. Fruity Loops, really, again, anything. So first step is to get a digital audio workstation and understand how to do the basic things with it. So one assignment I could give you is to open it up, figure out how to load a MIDI controlled instrument. You could pick a piano, figure out how to write a sequence of MIDI with your basically mouse, your computer mouse, or your finger if you're on GarageBand or on an app. The first step, again, is to understand your software. So the way to think about a digital audio workstation is like a craftsman's garage. So the workstation is like a garage for us music producers. It's a place that we can store all of our tools. It's a place where we do our work. It's a place where we can organize stuff or change the look to fit our own business model or our vibe. So the first step, again, understand your software. Once you understand the software, then you can think about perhaps getting an audio interface like a Focusrite 2Ti, which a lot of people use. That would enable you to plug in a 1/4 inch, like a guitar signal or a keyboard signal, record actual audio, a microphone perhaps. Would also allow you to get speakers, monitors, to better hear the music you're making in your digital audio workstation. Past that, we basically are constantly building to our garage. So you could get third-party instruments like a Serum that I do a lot of videos on this channel. You could get native instruments complete, like a bunch of different instruments. You could get like an East-West subscription. You could download samples. Basically, it's just adding to our garage. So once again, your digital audio workstations, your facility, it's your garage. A third-party tool or VST is like a tool that you bought and you're putting in your garage. So you still have to go into the garage to use the tool. Once again, digital audio workstation. But then we can spend our lifetime researching and getting new tools. Once we make money and we have resources to spend, we can figure out what things would we want to make our sound even better. And that's kind of the fun journey of becoming a music producer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or shoot me an email. I hope this helped you. If it helped, you would help me out by subscribing to the channel. Hit that bell for notifications so you find out when I make a new video. And have a wonderful day. Just remember, the trick to becoming good at anything is to take the first step. This may seem confusing, but start by getting a digital audio workstation and just figuring out how to do basic stuff on it. Hope that helps. Cheers. Till next time.